I'm David Wortley. I'm the Vice President of the International Society for Digital Medicine, ISDM. And I want to say a few words about the upcoming workshop on the future of preventative healthcare technologies. The coronavirus pandemic has involved the general public in digital preventative healthcare in unprecedented ways. And this involvement of everyone in taking precautions to not only protect their own health, but also that of others, is leading to profound changes in the provision of healthcare. So the workshop this coming Wednesday will look in some detail at these digital technologies which are likely to shape personal health management today, both for healthy individuals and those with chronic conditions. On the panel, we're going to have demonstrations and presentations from Chris Barker, who is CEO and founder of Spirit Healthcare. Now, they have a solution called CliniTouch V, and their speciality is the provision of remote care for people with chronic conditions like COPD and diabetes. We also have Leon Eisen, who's in the same category of continuous care. He's the CEO and founder of a company called Oxytone, who have the wearable device that I showed you earlier. We also have Joab Bocas, who's the wearables expert. Now, he's done a lot of research and work on consumer wearable technologies and the technologies and strategies that are used to influence people's lifestyle behaviors, and so control medical conditions. And finally, we have Professor Ron O'Donnell, who's based at the University of Arizona. He's a clinical psychologist and behavioral change expert.